Hey, this is Joe. I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about Chapter 2, which goes over fractions, including numerators and denominators, and we'll just talk a little bit about what reciprocals are. So, a lot of this is going to be reviewed for you, and if it is, I wouldn't worry about it, I wouldn't stress, but it might still be good just to go over it. This material will be seen over and over again throughout the course, so make sure you're familiar with it. So a fraction is whenever we have less than one of something but we still have a little bit. So if you have a piece of pie, let's just say you have 1/4 of the pie, you have one little bit and there was 4 pieces total. So let's just put that as a fraction. So 1/4 of the pie. So that's how it looks like. We have the full pie and it's cut into 4 pieces. And we're using just one little bit of it. That's what we're eating. That is, there's 4 pieces total and we're eating 1 piece. So our fraction is 1/4. Now each fraction has 2 parts. There's the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is always on the top, and the denominator is on the bottom. You can just remember D for down, however you like to remember it, but always the denominator is going to be the total amounts that you have, and the numerator is the number that you have available to you. So again, in our example, we have 4 slices total. We just have 1 available to us to eat, so we have 1/4 of the pizza. So that's numerators and denominators. Let's just do another quick example. Let's do 5/8. Our numerator in this case is going to be on the top. It's the 5, and 8 on the bottom is the denominator. And whenever we want to know what the value is, we can just do simple division. 5/8 is the same as 5 divided by 8. It's just doing that. Easiest way to do this is to just put it into a calculator, just plug and chug, and you're good to go. Alright, next thing I'll talk about is reciprocals. Reciprocals is just when you have a fraction, the reciprocal is a number that when you multiply it, you get 1. So 5/8 times the reciprocal is 1. And the easiest way to do it is just to swap it out. The reciprocal of 5/8 is 8/5. It's a fairly easy thing to do. You just switch the numerator and the denominator. If you ever want to check it, just multiply it by the reciprocal and you should get 1. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or check the book out. Again, a lot of this is going to be reviewed for you, and I just hope you feel comfortable with it. Thanks so much.